In my own woodland, my favourite thing is
the daily connection with nature that's growing stronger.
And I've become very interested in the smallest things, tiny things, really small events. And also I love just firewood chopping for the day.
The insects, just in this tiny little space, is just incredible.
And we made a giant climbing spider web for us to climb.
Why don't we plant more trees, manage sustainably, and create more of a wildlife corridor?
We found clay here, spent time making the clay oven,